This is ARLO Pro 3 and today I'll show how you can take a photo from this very camera. So if doing surveillance you are for some reason interested in capturing a photo from your camera, all that you gotta do is to launch its dedicated ARLO Secure app, then go into the devices section, open the camera view of the camera you would like to take a photo from, and here just tap at this camera icon. Let's wait for everything to load first. Now just tap at this icon here, and as you can see, the snapshot, screenshot, or just a plain photo has been taken. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.